Hello, I'm Tony Trigiani, President of Diversified Power International. I'd like to welcome you today to our training series for our TwinStar solar charger product line, designed specifically for electric vehicles and golf carts. JH Global, the manufacturer of StarCar electric vehicles and a longtime customer of DPI, was generous enough to let us have this vehicle to display and showcase to you today. Our solar TwinStar charging system operates at efficiencies of greater than 95%, allowing this small charger to generate outputs in excess of 200 watts of charging power. In fact, in some states, customers have reported operating their vehicles for weeks on end without requiring additional utility charging. In this video, I'll guide you through how our system is applied to these types of vehicles and review safety procedures and protection devices such as fusing. I'd like to introduce Thomas, who is going to help us with our demonstration today. Let's get started. Because the installation of our system can vary for each brand or type of vehicle, we'll demonstrate the assembly of our system using these open component platforms. You should not make any of the wiring connections shown in this video until after you've installed all wiring harnesses onto your golf cart or electric vehicle. This is so that when you are attaching or threading wires onto or into your vehicle's frame, you are not working with hazardous live wires. For this demonstration, we'll pretend that our wires have been installed on the vehicle and that we're now ready to start making our connections. First, let's talk about safety. The 36-volt and 48-volt battery packs used in this class of electric vehicles, as well as solar panels that you may choose to use on your vehicle, can produce serious and hazardous outputs of electricity that can be life-threatening. Never simultaneously grab the battery posts with your bare hands. This can produce enough current to severely harm or even kill you. When making connections to the battery, always wear gloves to insulate and protect you should you accidentally contact these exposed power terminals. Our system includes an interface from the solar panel to our charger, and in turn from our charger to the bank of batteries. For the purposes of this demonstration video, we're using a small 40-watt solar panel, whereas, as you can see on the StarCar, an actual vehicle utilizes a much larger 200-watt or higher rated solar panel. We'll start by making the connection from the solar panel to the charger. DPI manufactures interconnect wiring for most brands of solar panels utilizing weather-rated connectors like this for quick plug-and-play assembly. Check our website for the list of connection components for your project, or call us for technical assistance. Next step is to connect a wiring harness to the bank of batteries. Our battery cable harness comes with a 20-amp fuse in this watertight yellow inline fuse housing. Its location near the battery terminal is an important safety feature of our solar charger system. In the event that a pinched wire condition occurs, where the insulation of the wire conductor is pierced, the power from these batteries could melt the wires and potentially cause severe damage. The installation of the fuse near the battery terminal can protect against such an event. Additionally, we have another fuse located on the output side of DPI's TwinStar power charger, again housed in a watertight fuse holder. This fuse is another safety feature which prevents damage to the charger if the terminals at the end of this cable are accidentally connected to the battery pack in reverse polarity. Before we start our connections, let's review a couple of safety precautions you should take before working with batteries. First, always wear gloves to protect you from accidental electrocution. Also, wrap your tools with electrician's tape to prevent them from creating a short circuit should you accidentally drop them across battery terminals. Do not wear loose clothing, and remove all jewelry. Finally, extinguish any open flames and never smoke around batteries, since hydrogen gas is almost always present. Also, do not connect the wiring harness to the charger until after it has been installed to the battery pack. One last point. Before connecting the wiring harness to the battery pack, you must first identify the battery which has the most negative terminal and the battery that has the most positive terminal. You should consult with the manufacturer of the vehicle for this important information. Once you've identified those terminals, you can start by connecting the black negative lead on the wiring harness to the most negative terminal on the battery pack, like so, and then connect the red positive lead to the most positive terminal on the battery pack. Now you're ready to make the final connection in our system and plug your battery harness plug to the output plug of the charger. Make sure they snap together. Your system's now operational. With DPI's solar charging system, you have a wide range of installation options. On this Star car, our charger is mounted and concealed inside the roof, and all of the wires have been routed inside the tubular roof struts. However, our flexible and versatile modular component design allows you to locate the components and wiring pathways in a way that best fits your vehicle. With DPI's innovative system, your charger could be mounted almost anywhere on the vehicle, including on the outside of the cowling or on the dashboard. Similarly, wiring can be routed almost anywhere because each section of our modular wiring systems are available in 6 to 30-foot lengths, allowing you complete flexibility in design. DPI also sells a complete line of accessories and hardware to protect your system from damage and to make your installation look professional. It's essential that the solar power system for any golf car or electric vehicle is specifically designed for the load requirements and solar conditions where the vehicle will be operated. Overloading or underloading a solar panel will reduce the performance of the system. DPI provides free of charge, complete solar system design assistance, including system specifications and advice on configuration and installation of your system. Call us for more information. Thank you for watching our video on DPI's TwinStar solar power charging system for use on golf carts and electric vehicles. Should you have any questions regarding your installation or questions about our system, please give us a call, 1-800-334-5091.